To rotate selected pieces and overwrite any rotation allowance restrictions, go to Piece, Rotate, or click the Rotate tool. In the Rotation by Angle dialog, enter the angle in degrees. For example, let's enter 45 degrees, even though these pieces have a two-way rotation allowance. Click the Rotate CCW button to rotate counterclockwise, or the Rotate CW button to rotate clockwise. Each click of these buttons rotates the selection by 45 degrees. In the Pieces to Rotate section, choose which pieces in the file to rotate. Selected on Marker, rotates only the piece selected on the marker work area, in this case this top front piece. Selected in Pieces bar, rotates the pieces selected in the Pieces bar, in this case all top front pieces in size medium. All sizes of selected piece, rotates all sizes of the selected piece, in this case all top front pieces in all sizes. All pieces, rotates all pieces in the marker file,